Wanderers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make rainbow magic, and these are all the materials I'm gonna be using. We're gonna set the candy in place like this. When we add the water is gonna make the colors spread out like a Ferris wheel. Do you think the colors will move fast or slow? Drop your guess in the comments. There we go. And we'll add the water right here in the middle. Wow, look at the colors go. The candy has color on it, which is called pigment. Pigment is just what makes things have color in it, like crayons, markers, or paint. When the water touches, it makes it a bit heavier or dense. Dense just means it's packed with more stuff. When the water pushes out, it moves in place where the water is lighter. So cool. So cool, right? Thanks for learning with me, Wanderers. Like this video and tell me in the comments what experiments I should try next. Bye-bye.